Hi, I'm Ashika Khanna from Ananda. It's great to have the team from Masque here collaborating with us on this very exciting project. When we started Ananda 20 years ago, we wanted to show people a different way of life, and food is such an integral part of how we live and what we do, and it's very important to pay attention to what's going into your body and the ingredients that are growing around you in your natural environment. And we invited the team from Masque over to explore the region, and we felt that they were the perfect people to do justice to the indigenous ingredients from this area.
We have a very holistic approach to our menus. We focus on taste, presentation and the health aspect of the menu as well. And the core principle of our menus is built around the basic principles of Ayurveda.
Uttarakhand is very rich in flora and fauna. There is like so much wildlife, and then local people use most of these plants as a medicinal plants also, but then they use them as a food as well. And these are all naturally, whatever ingredient I'm talking, most of them are naturally grown. Nobody grows them like free of pesticide or any.
So the food at Masque, we try to highlight native Indian ingredients and revisit traditional recipes which we execute with a purpose and not just with some few plating tweaks. Hi, I'm Varun Datlani, head chef of Masque Restaurant in Mumbai. So curiosity of ingredients is what drives me. For the past few years, I've been seeing Chef Kamlesh bring back ingredients from his backyard in Garhwal. He had a lot of stories to share about the ingredients as well. This collaboration with Ananda in the Himalayas gives us a chance to explore the local ingredients and traditional food as well.